Hello friends, let me show you how you can change file icons in Visual Studio Code. It's a simple customization that can improve both appearance of your editor and the way you work with files every day. To change the file icons, look at the bottom left corner of the editor and click the gear icon. From there, go to Themes, then select File Icon Theme. This opens a drop-down showing all the icon themes already installed on your VS Code. You can preview them by using the up arrow and down arrow keys on your keyboard. Minimal and SETI icon themes come with VS Code by default. However, you're free to install other file icon themes that better match your preferences. To do that, head over to Extensions panel and search for VS Code icons. You'll find this icon theme with more than 24 million downloads. Simply click Install, then confirm by clicking Trust Publisher, and the icon theme will be added to your VS Code. Once installation is complete, you'll see a pop-up. From here, select VS Code icons to enable the icon theme. When I go back to Explorer, you can see that the file icon theme has been applied to folders and files in my project. The great thing is, you can install as many icon themes as you like and switch between them whenever you want. My personal favorite is Material Icon Theme, but VS Code offers plenty of other icon themes, so feel free to choose the one that best matches your style and workflow. As I said before, you can change icon themes at any time by clicking on Gear icon, going to Settings, and selecting File Icon Theme. Then use up arrow or down arrow key to choose a different theme. So, that's how you can change file icons in Visual Studio Code. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.